In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Shopify store on vacation. If you're stepping away for a holiday, taking inventory, or planning a brief downtime, this quick setup will let you protect your storefront with a password and display a friendly notice so customers know when you'll be back. Nothing on the back end is deleted, and you can still work in your admin while shoppers see a clear message on your storefront. First, open your Shopify store by signing into your Shopify admin in your browser. This brings you to your dashboard, where you can control everything about your storefront. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. From the admin dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store. This is your sales channel for the website itself and is where you'll manage the public-facing parts of your shop, including themes, navigation, and visibility. Next, click Preferences. This page contains settings that affect how your storefront appears and behaves. Locate the Password Protection section. This is the built-in way to place your store in a vacation state, so only people with a password can access it while everyone else sees a notice. Here, enter a password. Choose a simple, temporary password that you and your team can remember, but avoid anything personal. This password controls who can view the storefront while you're away. Customers won't see the password unless you share it with them. Keep it somewhere secure and share it only with those who truly need access during the break. In the message field, enter "Closed till January the 16th, 2026. This text appears on the password page visitors land on when they try to access your site. Keep it clear and direct so customers immediately understand what's happening and when you'll reopen. If you want to add a brief thank you line or a note about reopening, you can, but make sure the date remains obvious so expectations are set. Finally, click Save. Wait for the confirmation that your changes were saved. From now on, your storefront is gated behind the password and everyone else will see your closure message. Your products, theme, apps, and settings remain intact in the admin, so you can continue managing orders or making updates behind the scenes. When you're ready to come back, return to the same preferences area and remove the password and message to restore normal access. That's all you need to put your Shopify store on vacation quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take a smooth, stress-free break.